CBSE, Science, Class 9, Chapter 1, Matter in Our Surroundings.
Let us learn the chemistry chapters through questions and answers, which most of the students prefer. Note that PG here is for page, PR for paragraph in your textbook, and questions are in yellow color while answers are in white color.
Can matter change its state? We all know from our observation that water can exist in all three states of matter: 1 solid state, as ice; 2 liquid state, as the familiar water; and 3 gas state, as water vapor. What happens inside the matter during the change of state? On increasing the temperature of solids, kinetic energy of particles increases. Due to increase in kinetic energy, particles start vibrating with greater speed. The energy supplied by heat overcomes the forces of attraction between the particles. The particles leave their fixed positions and start moving more freely. A stage is reached when the solid melts and is converted to a liquid. What is called melting point? What it indicates? What is melting point of ice? The minimum temperature at which a solid melts to become a liquid at the atmospheric pressure is called its melting point. The melting point of a solid is an indication of the strength of the force of attraction between its particles. The melting point of ice is 273 Kelvin, is the SI unit of temperature. 0 degrees Celsius equals 273 K. When a solid melts, its temperature remains the same, so where does the heat energy go? During melting, the temperature of the system does not change after the melting point is reached, till all the ice melts. This happens even though we continue to heat the beaker, that is, we continue to supply heat. This heat gets used up in changing the state by overcoming the forces of attraction between the particles. As this heat energy is absorbed by ice without showing any rise in temperature, it is considered that it gets hidden into the contents of the beaker and is known as the latent heat. The word latent means hidden. Why water at 0 degrees Celsius have more energy as compared to particles in ice at the same temperature? The amount of heat energy that is required to change 1 kilogram of a solid into liquid at atmospheric pressure at its melting point is known as the latent heat of fusion. So, particles in water at 0 degrees Celsius 273 K have more energy as compared to particles in ice at the same temperature. How liquid state changes into gas state? When we supply heat energy to liquid water, particles start moving even faster. At a certain temperature, a point is reached when the particles have enough energy to break free from the forces of attraction of each other. At this temperature, the liquid starts changing into gas. What is called boiling point? The temperature at which a liquid starts boiling at the atmospheric pressure is known as its boiling point. For water, this temperature is 373 Kelvin. 100 degrees Celsius equals 273 plus 100 equals 373 Kelvin. At 100 degrees Celsius, which one has more energy, water or vapor? Particles in steam, that is, water vapor at 373 Kelvin, 100 degrees Celsius, have more energy than water at the same temperature. This is because particles in steam have absorbed extra energy in the form of latent heat of vaporization. How application of heat can change states of matter? State of matter can be changed into another state by changing the temperature. We have learned that substances around us change state from solid to liquid and from liquid to gas on application of heat. End of this part. Dear students, share your doubts and questions to this email, given below. The question answers of this chapter 1 Matter in Our Surroundings will be continued.